Hi everyone, my name is Eleni Bardaka. I am an assistant professor in transportation engineering at North Carolina State University, and today I would like to talk to you about the accessibility methodology developed and used as part of a STRIDE project that I worked on. So what we're trying to address with this product is monitoring the changes in accessibility over time and over different geographies within a metropolitan area, and comparing that with socioeconomic changes, again, over time and space within the same metropolitan area. And that's very important for successful equity planning for transit agencies. Some of the challenges associated with this analysis have to do with first defining what a city center is and what a suburban area is. There is a lack of clear definitions for these geographies, and what we typically get from US Census is the urban boundary, which includes central and suburban areas together. An additional issue is that these geographies are changing over time and are growing. So when we're trying to quantify changes over time, this has to be done while accounting for the fact that urban areas are growing. As you can see in the figure, over a 10-year period, the urban area, which is the edge of the orange outer ring suburbs in the triangle region, how it has grown. So we need to be accounting for that when we're measuring changes over time. In this product, we are using gravity-based accessibility measures to estimate access to a transit stop or access to employment by transit. And we do that separately for city centers, inner suburbs, outer suburbs, and rural areas. These gravity-based measures are a function of impedance, which is how difficult it is to get to, for example, a bus stop, and it can be expressed with travel time or travel distance or an estimate of travel cost. And you can see in the figure the triangle region again for 2015, and that is access to bus stops by walking, and how access is higher, of course, within city centers, and then it keeps decreasing as you're moving away from the centers. What you need to apply this product is transit network data and transit feeds such as GTFS data, and some socioeconomic indicators from census such as poverty rate, employment data, and the urban boundary. To implement the product, you would need first to identify the central city, the inner suburbs, outer suburbs, and rural areas in your metropolitan region. Then estimate changes in poverty by area or other socioeconomic indicators of interest. Also estimate changes in access over time by area, and that can be, again, access to a bus stop, a station, or access to employment by transit. And then compare how poverty has changed and how access has changed in all these different geographies within your metropolitan area. If stakeholders are able to understand the parallel changes happening in poverty and access to transit within the regions, then they can identify equitable solutions and take action. Thank you, and I look forward to sharing this methodology with you.